welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be making slime. So first let's go to the store and buy the ingredients, right Mommy?
Right.
And we are going to make glow-in-the-dark slime, and it's going to be so cool. It's like glow-in-the-dark. Yeah, and it's going to be the best slime. Hey guys, we're in the car, and now we're going to go there. And make sure to subscribe. So, we're in the car. Okay, now we're at Margaritas, and we're going to probably eat, but our mom is just trying to get her money here so we can buy some stuff. Because if we don't buy stuff, then it would be bad. Very, very bad. And we wouldn't want that to happen. We would not. So, yeah. So, our mom needs our money and we might eat. We might not.
Right, because then we won't have anything if we won't buy stuff with our money.
Yeah, that's right. So, yeah, I'm going to pause the video. So, I'm going to ask Mommy if we can eat her here. Whatever. Okay, so yeah.
Oh, she's coming back.
She said she has a lot of money. Now, let's go to the store.
And Jackie wants chicken and rice for Matthias, and Mommy has a lot of money, and I want chicken and rice too, but I don't want any cheese because I don't like cheese.
It's not Matthias, it's margaritas.
Margaritas.
Listen, this store is called Matthias, but margaritas.
Okay. Now we are here at the restaurant. So,
and I'm going to show you a little baby sister. She's so cute. No, little baby quick. Hey. Hey. Do you still have my little key? Look. Okay, let's get out. Thank you, Mommy. But here, I don't know if you can really see me, but that's because it's so bright out here. And it's not that cold. It's not that cold.
It's really not that cold. Look, everyone say cheese.
hey guys, we are at Margaritas, and we are going to eat something. Instead of making slime, we're going to do that tonight on the other video. But after we eat, we are going to go to a cool water park or go to a very cool park where it's not water. And I'm already coloring some stuff, guys. And it's a red crown. Okay. I'll show you the back of the paper. So here's the I color. That tastes good. It's very good. I wish y'all can be here.